Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome again to our channel, Sir Lopez Vlog. Sa araw na ito ay magkakaroon tayo ng self-evaluation dito sa subject na CGL3 or yung tinatawag nating Criminal Law Book 1. Ang self-evaluation natin gagawin ay karugtong lamang ng mga nauna nating self-evaluation sa subject na ito. Kung gusto nyong balikan ang mga nauna nating videos, nandito lamang sa ating description box ang link ng mga ito. Okay? So, hangad ng ating self-evaluation ngayong araw na masukat ang inyong academic preparation para sa darating na board examination. Okay? Malalaman ninyo ang mga kasagutan sa mga tanong na ating ibibigay ngayong araw sa pamamagitan ng pag-click ninyo sa ating description box. Okay? Kung nakanda na kayo, umpisa na natin sa question number 1. 1. While advanced in age has a mental development comparable of that of a child between 2 to 7 years old. A. Imbecile. B. Insane. C. Abnormal. Or D. Bunging. Question number 2. What is the age of total irresponsibility? A. 15 or below. B. 16 or above. C. 18 or below. Or D. Above 70. Question number 3. What is the indispensable element of self-defense? A. Sufficient provocation on the part of the accused. B. Reasonable necessity of the means employed. C. Unlawful aggression. D. Not motivated by revenge, resentment, or evil motive. Question number 4. What felonies are punishable only when they are consummated? A. Grave felonies. B. Light felonies. C. Less grave felonies. Or D. All of the above. Number 5. What is the first written criminal law in the Philippines? A. Code of Hammurabi. B. Code of Kalantiao. C. Código Penal. Or D. Code of Maragtas. Question number 6. An individual in performing an act in obedience to an order issued by superior officer is A. Mitigated. B. Justified. C. Exempted. Or D. Aggravated. Question number 7. In battered woman syndrome, it is characterized by brutality, destructiveness, and sometimes death. A. Tension building phase. B. Acute battering incident. C. Tranquil period. Or D. Death period. Number 8. Basis for the exemption from criminal liability. A. Absence of intelligence. B. Absence of freedom. C. Absence of intent. Or D. All of them. Number 9. What is the effect of the insanity of the accused during trial? A. Exempting. B. Criminal proceedings will be suspended. C. Execution of judgment will be suspended. Or D. Acquittal of the accused. Number 10. Crazy is the same as insane for purposes of exempting criminal liability. A. True. B. False. Question number 11. A child 15 years of age or under is exempted from criminal liability. What is the missing word? A. At the time of discovery of the crime. B. At the time of hearing. C. At the time of rendering judgment. Or D. At the time of the commission of the crime. Next, number 12. Refers to a child alleged as, accused of, or adjudged as having committed an offense under Philippine laws. A. Respondent. B. Child person of interest. C. Children in conflict with the law. Or D. Child suspect. 13. A policeman fired his gun on the ground to stop the persons engaged in a fight. The bullet ricocheted, hitting a bystander. Is accident invoked as a defense? A. No, because of negligence. B. Yes, being in the performance of duty. C. No, it should be on a state of necessity. D. Yes, what he did is a PNP is OP. 14. A, B, and C took turns in beating X to compel him to open the safe of the bank. Why is X considered not criminally liable? A. He acted under the impulse of uncontrollable fear of an equal or greater injury. B. State of necessity. C. Compulsion of an irresistible force. Or D. Self-defense. A. Threatened to blow the head of B with a shotgun if B does not kill X. B killed X. He may be exempted from liability due to A. Being acted under the impulse of uncontrollable fear of an equal or greater injury. B. State of necessity. C. Compulsion of an irresistible force. Or D. Self-defense. Okay, number 16. Circumstances that serves to reduce the penalty. A. Justifying. B. Exempting. C. Mitigating. Or D. Aggravating. 17. Mental capacity to fully appreciate the consequences of an unlawful act. A. Lucid interval. B. Discernment. C. Status offense. Or D. Imbecile. 18. Refers to any act of inflicting physical harm upon the woman or her child, resulting to physical and psychological or emotional stress. A. Battery. B. Battered woman syndrome. C. Abuse. Or D. Batterer. 19. A minor above 15 but below 18 who is acted with discernment. A. May be criminally liable. B. Exempted from criminal liability. C. Justified. Or D. Mitigated. 20. Any act of 20. Any act of the offended party that excites or stirs up emotions or actions. A. Threat. B. Provocation. C. Aggression. Or D. Discernment. Question number 21. Absolutely exempted from criminal liability. A. Insane. B. Imbecile. C. Person under 18 but above 15 years old. D. Person over 70 years old. 22. Whenever more than 3 armed malefactors shall have acted together in the commission of an offense. A. Gang. B. Syndicate. C. Band. Or D. Highway robbers. 23. Circumstances that aggravate or mitigate the crime depending its nature and effects. A. Alternative. B. Exempting. C. Aggravating. Or D. Alternative. 24. When the culprit enjoys and delights in making his victim suffer slowly and gradually. A. Killing me softly. B. Ignominy. C. Cruelty. Or D. Treachery. 25. Circumstances pertaining to the moral order which adds disgrace and obloquy to the material injury caused by the crime. A. Killing me softly. B. Ignominy. C. Cruelty. Or D. Treachery. Okay, so natapos na natin ang ating sinasagawang self-evaluation. Ngayon, i-check nyo na ang inyong mga papel at tignan ninyo kung ang score nyo ay umabot sa higit pa sa 20. Congratulations! Maintain your good performance and do the same to another self-evaluation to fully appreciate the possibility that your preparation is going right. Okay? So, hanggang dito na lamang ang ating gagawin sa araw na ito. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay at magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. See you next time.